Good morning. I'm Dr. B. Ramya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about classes and objects in OOPS. Design thinking. Emphasize need to model real-world things clearly in software. Student in a college system example. Define. Represent student details plus action in one place to avoid scattered data. Ideate. Create a class student with attributes name, roll number, department, and methods. Prototype. Generate objects like student 1, student 2, each holding real student data. Test. Verify each object behaves independently. Outcome. Simple representation, easier code reuse, scalable student management system. Okay, fine. What is a class? A class is a blueprint or template that defines attributes. It is a collection of data members and methods or member functions. Inside a class, we can define the data members or variables and methods or functions. What are objects? Objects, it is nothing but instance of a class. Create using the class structure. Each object has its own separate data. Class instance. Objects are created as instances of classes, defining their structure. Data separation. Each object maintains its own unique data, ensuring individuality. We can define class card. Inside that class, we can create member functions and variables. Here, the member function is star, the variable is color. The object is here, we can create an object my card. Card my card is equal to new. Using this my card, we can call the variable color and the function start also. We can get the variables and methods inside the class using objects. Features of classes in OOPS. Extensibility. Enable adding new functionalities through inheritance. Encapsulation. Bundles data and functions into a single unit. Encapsulation is used for data hiding. Abstraction hides complex implementation details. Reusability allow creating multiple objects from a single class. Modularity organizes code into logical and independent unit. Real-world examples of classes and objects. The first thing is attributes, name, roll number, mark, method, attendance, exams, or student is a class. These are all the attributes of the class, properties of the class. Next thing is bank account. The attributes are account number, balance, methods, or deposit, withdraw, etc. Mobile phone, the attributes are brand, price, methods, or call and message. These are all the real world examples of classes and objects. Memory allocation for objects. Here the class memory occupancy, how it occupies. No memory until object created. If you are creating a class, no memory is allocated for a particular class. When it will create a memory means whenever we are creating an object, then only it will create a memory space for that particular class. Here the class no memory until object created. Object occupies memory. Storage not applicable. Here in class, storage is not applicable. In object, attribute values, methods, references, everything we can access through the objects. Memory location. For class, we don't have any memory location, particular memory location. If you want to access the class, methods and member functions means using objects only, we can heap memory. We can access that class members and member functions using objects. Benefits of using classes and objects in OOPS. Reduce complexity, improve maintainability, support reusability. Thank you.